one of the reasons you get that message that the hood is open when it's closed, fully closed. So there is this is the latch, and there is a switch right at the bottom here at the left, and that may get corrosion on it. Obviously you have from the front bumper, it's not sealed, so as you drive behind other cars, it's difficult to access. There is corrosion on the wiring basically. What I'm doing is try to get some WD-40, spray a little bit on it. Keep in mind, if you spray too much, the two wires will make contact, sort of. So I just got this. I don't yet have this problem. I just like to prevent things. So I got let's call it a rush check. It's in Canada. I'm not sure if you got it. And it's a green one. Green one stays there. The red one is really weak. It washes off. I'll just try to spray a little bit just in advance, so as to not get corrosion. So try to film again the piece. I think it's this one, so I'm just trying to spray a little bit over it. And all this latch, actually it's good to spray something on it so it doesn't rust, it doesn't get stuck at some point in time.